Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello everyone, I am Shivam Katwate from 3rd year Electrical Division B and I am here to present Arduino serial monitoring using Tinkercad. My group members are Saurabh Kharate, Aniket Lobande and Kailas Mamuni, and we are doing this project under the guidance of Chinmay Deshpande sir. First of all, we need to know what is serial monitoring. Here serial monitoring, we uses the serial monitoring tool while creating these projects with the Arduino. It can be used as a debugging tool, testing out concepts, or to communicate directly with the Arduino code. This serial monitor tool, which is used for debugging and establishing the communication between a computer and an Arduino board. Here we are going to make the serial monitoring using Tinkercad software. This software is a digital design software which is used to make the 3D printed 3D which is used to make the 3D printed circuits using physical objects. It has a collection of software tools from the Autodesk which enables to complete the 3D models for the project. Now we are going to make the simulation using the Tinkercad software. Here we have taken this Arduino which is connected to this laptop using the serial monitoring, and we have taken this Arduino through the library of Tinkercad software, and we have connected this LED circuit to this Arduino. Here this LED is connected to this 8th pin of the Arduino and the ground, and register is added in the circuit. Here we have written the code for the simulation purpose, and we have given the interval for the LED blinking of 1000. Here we have given the command serial.begin 9600, which means that the serial communication between the computer and Arduino is done at the baud rate of 9600, which is equal to bits per second. Now we are going to make the simulation. Here we can see LEDs blinking for every second, and we are getting this output of the LED blinking such as LED state is equal to high and LED state is equal to low for every second. Now here we can change the LED interval through which the LED blinking for time interval changes. Now let's say we are going to change the interval to 500. See here, now LED is blinking for every half a second. For every half second, LED is blinking high for half a second and low for a half a second. In this way, we can make a serial monitoring of LED blinking. Thank you.